Hello guys, welcome to KRK Tech Gaming Channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you what is Streamlabs and what for it is and how do you use Streamlabs in YouTube. Okay then, get ready for the videos and don't forget to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel who are the new users and don't forget to comment this video. Yeah, this is the official website of the Streamlabs and you can search for streamlabs.com in search bar of your default web browser, or you can search for Streamlabs OBS. As you can see here, Streamlabs OBS is all-in-one live streaming software which can be used for streaming in YouTube, and we can stream with any of these. With the software we can stream in any of the streaming website as YouTube, Vimeo or Facebook, etc. So this is one of the all-in-one live streaming software, so you can use it for live streaming, video recording, and you can be live in Facebook, YouTube and other live streaming softwares. So see, they have been supported with different platforms like YouTube, Dit and Facebook. Fast and backup to the cloud. You can use the recordings and you can back up the recordings to the cloud software, and this can be one simplified feature packed streaming software with everything you need to stream to Twitch, YouTube and Facebook within a seconds. So this is the best streaming software. This is the alternative best streaming software for streaming in different sites, and this is the personal streams with pro overlays. You have different animated themes for personal overlays. You can theme like gaming, video recording, education and many more. So here they are the favorite theming softwares of this, and stream to multiple platforms. As I have said you before, we can stream to multiple platforms like YouTube, Facebook, etc. Some of them have told us Streamlabs figure out the best way to stream and connect with my audience. Okay, he is one of the live streamer who have streamed with the help of Streamlabs software. So I was told that this is the best software to stream and connect with his audience. And someone with Ninja, I have been streaming for over 9 years. There is a reason I use it. So he has a reason to use this Streamlabs. It's 9 years for gaming. And they have some tips. They have tipped Streamlabs. 46 apps enhance your stream. They have different apps for enhancing your stream during live. Okay, if you want to download this Streamlabs, you can either download it down the page, or in the starting of the page you have download Streamlabs. Hit the button, download button, and it will be downloaded to your computer. I have already downloaded it, and so now I'm gonna show you that. Okay, this is the Streamlabs OBS which I have downloaded in my PC. Now you can live stream with the help of this Streamlabs OBS software, and you can record the videos of your recordings, and you can add scenes with the different scenes you want to. You can add sources like video capture device or audio capture, audio input, audio output, image file, browser, and you can add a Windows capture which can be captured applications and browsers and some other else. And here you have the properties of mixers like desktop audios and camera options. You have the properties of the audio function we can customize with our own choice. So we can customize the desktop audio as our own choice. We can add the audio input device and video input device, and you have the mini feed. They have means you have nothing. You have no events to display. So if you have a scene, if you have a source to display, then they will be shown here the events to display. And we can add the source in this black page, so we can show this or hide this, and this is the main screen of our streaming. And now here we have properties which can be used for changing default settings. Now let's go to get help or the properties. Once again, so these are the general settings, and you can have different settings like stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced settings, skin, and you have skin, collections, notifications, appearance, remote control, virtual webcam, game overlay. scenes collections, means you have to have different scenes to have collection and general. These are used for logins and other things like restart, configure, etc. And streaming is the thing like you can stream into different websites or streaming softwares like Facebook, Twitch, YouTube. So you can log in with the desired account to stream. And output, you have the output page for to save the records for output. And audio is the main thing which can record our audio, so you can add the properties like change the audio function to different, change the audio input, and change the audio output device. So in the video column you can change the video input and output devices, and hotkeys like when you say okay Streamlabs, it will be activated, so it has some more hotkeys which will be discovered. And advanced settings like change FPS and like detect how many are watching, live chat, live streaming, etc. And screen collection, which can be used to for color collection, which can be added different scenes to it. And if you have only single screen, you will be shown only one, and if you have more than one, you will be shown in the scene collection. And notifications, you will be notified with the different notifications time to time. You will be updated with the notifications to update your Streamlabs application. And appearance, you can change the appearance of the Streamlabs by customizing your own thing. Means if you want to customize this, you can customize it by the appearance column. And if you want to customize this, you can be customized with anything. And remote control, you can be controlled with the remote. This can be Streamlabs can be controlled with the remote control, so it can be accessed. So now I'm gonna show you every settings of the Streamlabs OBS. So now I will be showing you in a clear detailed way. Now this is a cache directory which can be used for your cache data. And this is delete cache and restart, means it will be deleting all your servers with a web browser. And apply cache to developers, it will be uploading your cache to the developers. And disable hardware acceleration requires restart, means it will be disabled hardware acceleration, means it is the source like HD processing of your video. So if you disable this, there will be nothing, means your live stream gets your live stream video gets low quality. And configure default devices like video devices, audio devices, it will be configuring. And OBS import, you will be imported from the OBS live stream. So like default devices and language, you can set to English and other, your wish as your own wish. And output, so confirmation dialog when starting streams, it will be sure that there will be a confirmation yes or no option for a dialog when you start a live stream. And show confirmation dialog when stopping streams, you will be asked yes or no for the stopping streams. Automatically record when streaming, when you are streaming in the streaming softwares like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, you will be automatically recorded the videos which have been your live streaming. Keep recording when stream stops. When the stream gets stopped, when the live streaming is stopped, then the OBS, this Streamlabs OBS starts recording. Automatically start replay buffering when streaming. It will be started replay buffering, means it will be played the live streaming video is played with buffering when streaming. Keep replay buffering active when stream stops. It will be replayed after when the stream is stopped. And source alignment, and this is source alignment snapping. It is different settings. So snap sensitivity, it should be default is at 10, so don't decrease. Why? Because we don't know about the settings. Let's go to the stream option. Stream, now you can choose the streaming server like YouTube, and streaming servers like they'll give some Twitch, YouTube or YouTube Gaming, Facebook Live, Restream.io, Twitter or Periscope, Lucra Live, and Stage It. So most selection option is Twitch, YouTube or YouTube Gaming and Facebook Live. So if you want to stream any of this in the streaming software, you can select the option. Or if you have your own, and some have their own streaming URL which can be seen in the YouTube down, you can have in the stream options custom streaming server you can select, and you have to paste the streaming URL and the stream key which have been given by the streaming software. And if you want to use the authentication you can use, or if you don't want to use, don't use. And after entering the desired URL and stream key, you can click done, and we'll go to output mode. You can say the default is simple. If you want to select advanced, you can be selected as advanced, but the default one is simple, right? We will go to the simple. First we'll check out the simple process, and then we'll go to this advanced process. So it will be changed the streaming video bitrate, and the default bitrate is 2500 and encoder is software X264. You have to these to be default because this is the default things. Video bitrate should be every time 160, and it should not be changed. Enable advanced encoder settings. If you want to enable the advanced encoder settings, you can enable it. And recordings, you can place this recordings path to your desired place, because all recordings can be set in a single place. So recording quality, same as stream, you have the high quality or medium file size, lowest quality. And if you want to have same as stream, you'll have the same as stream. So if you want to change it to high quality, you can change it to high quality. And we'll have recording format MP4. If you want to change it to MOV, MKV, TES and other forms of, you can change it to, and the default one is MP4, as it will produce audio and video both. And this we have already seen. This is enable replay buffer, and maximum replay time 20 seconds. You have the 20 seconds to replay this. Let's go to audio. Oh, we have forgotten output advanced mode. Let's go to our advanced mode. Okay, in advanced mode you have streaming and audio track 1. It should be set to default and do not change it. These are the same things, but we have simple mode. We have been understood with the simple thing, and advanced will have professionals. And let's go to audio. The audio you have sample rate requires a restart. It should be set to default because we have to not change this, because even if you change it, the whole process will go up and down. So let's go here, desktop audio device 1. You have to select the audio device 1 for the desktop, and optional device, and these are the for output. And for the input like mic, you have to add first device, second device, third device, because if you have 3 devices, if one doesn't work or 2 doesn't work, the another one will take the work. So if you have 3 mics, you can place it 3, or if you have 1 mic, you can place it 1, but you have to have minimum 1 mic. Let's go to video, and in the video column you have base canvas resolution. It should be set to default, and output also should be set to default. And if you want in a windowed way, you can set it to lesser quantity. If you want to have it in a full screen, you can set it into the default, and this should not be changed. And FPS should be common, because we don't know the FPS values, and it should be set to the default, because higher FPS may strike the computers and laptops of yours. Let's go to hotkeys. If you want to make it as a hotkey direction, and if you want to start stream, you can add such high, stop by, like that. You can add your own customized stop key, hotkey. So when you say the digital hotkey, the streaming will be on, the streaming will be off, the recordings on, recordings off, studio mode, and save, replay, other. And let's go to the advanced mode. And in the advanced mode, it will process priority. It should be normal, because we don't know about it. Color format, these all should be in a default way, and these all should be in a default way. The advanced option should be in a default way, because we don't know how will it be changed. And let's go to the scene collection, and these are the widget files in the current scene. So we don't have any scene to see the scene collection. So when you add a scene, you will be seen here, and import widget file. You have to import a widget file from your files to the add in current scene. And notifications will be come to your PC, means we will be notified with everything that have been changing in Streamlabs OBS in your software. So if you want to show your notifications on your desktop, you can be enabled it. So I have enabled notifications. If you want to make the notifications with sound, you can enable the sound. And you can select this detect skipped frames, because when you are live streaming, when your network is low, the frames will be skipped in your video. So if you have been set this detect skipped frames at 25%, this is the default thing, then it will be detecting the skipped frames in your video. And detect dropped frames, you can be detect dropped frame threshold, means when your frames have been dropped due to the network error, it will be detecting that and giving you a notification. And theme, if you want to change it, this is the application appearance theme, so we can change it to our own desire. We can change it to day, then the whole appearance will be changed as the white color. If you want to make it at night, and it will be changed at night. So if you this is the own customization of the theme of their Streamlabs OBS, and I like the day, so I am keeping a day. And let's go to remote control. And if you want to control your Streamlabs OBS software, then if you want to control your Streamlabs OBS software with your phone, you can control by scanning this code with Streamlabs OBS. So this will only work with the most recent versions of the Streamlabs mobile app. Mobile app can be downloaded from Play Store or App Store in the Android phone or iPhone and Apple phone. So you can download the latest version of the app, and you can scan this code on the PC, so you can control the Streamlabs OBS app with your phone even. And now it's a blur, because during the stream the code will be invisible, because it can harm the piece, it can harm the others. And let's go to virtual webcam, and it is a virtual webcam which can turn your phone into virtual webcam. And till yesterday I have virtual webcam which I have been used iPhone since yesterday, but today I have received logistics C something with the model of C webcam. So this is the webcam I am using currently. I have got it today. And you can use the virtual webcam if you don't have the original webcam for your PC or laptop. So if you want to use the virtual webcam, install the virtual webcam software now. There is a button, so if you want to install it, hit the button and install the software. And go game overlay. If you want to set the game overlay, you can set a hotkey in hotkey settings to toggle the game overlay. If you want to enable it, click on enable. So these are the simple explanation of the settings in Streamlabs OBS. So we'll go to the advanced settings now. Now we have been redirected to the dashboard of the Streamlabs OBS, and now I will be shown with different sources you can add it. So let's get into it. And if you want to place anything on the screen of your black screen, so you can add the sources of different choice, and if you click this, you will be redirected to the source page. So now I will be shown with it. One second. And as you can see here, this is the sources page where you can add sources of your choice. If you want to add image file, you can add image file to the screen, and if you want to add browser source as Google Chrome, Opera GX, as you can add it in the browser source. And if you want to slideshow the images, you can select the third option, image slideshow, so it will be displaying different images slideshowing. And display capture, if you want to capture a display of your PC of any application, you can choose the display capture, and it will be captured the display of your computer or PC. And game capture, if you want to capture the gameplay of your game, so you can be captured with the game capture option. And if you want to add audio input capture, such as if you want to make your mic input frame rate, so you can add this. It will be shown with the audio input capture. And open VR capture, if you want to capture the VR experience, you can be selecting this option, so it will be capturing the VR capture. And color source, you can add the different colors on your screen for making it colorful, and you can select this color source. media source. You can add media like videos, GIFs, like from different websites. You can add media source and text. If you want to place text on your screen, you can select this option. And Windows capture. If you want to add application capturing, so select the Windows capture option and select the application you need to capture in a minimized way. And the third from the last, video capture device. If you want to add a video capture device as camera or webcam, you can select this option and select the camera or webcam. And audio output capture device, this is used for capturing audio of yours, means audio, what is the audio rate, output rate. And the last one is VLC source. It's a type of application which can be used to capture VLC source. And now I'm gonna select image, and you can see here, you can see now what images you can add to your scene. One, PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, TGA, BMP. These images can be used to shown on your screen. So let's click add source. And now here you have to select the image file you want to add. So I will be selecting my image file now. Enter the name of the image you want. So I will keep Streamlabs OBS. Okay, and click on add source. And now you have option to select the image you want to add to your source. Now I will be adding my default option, and I will be adding an image, and you need to select it from your files folder. Now I am in my files folder. This is a private folder, so I will be never showing this. And I want to show you a cyberpunk. And after selecting your desired image, click on done. Now yes, it will be going. 1 second. Now it will be coming within 1 second. Yes, this is the cyberpunk. As you can see here, now we have added the image file of your own choice. So I have added cyberpunk 2077 gameplay screenshot. So we can add different sources like web capture and browser capture, game capture. We can capture the gameplay with the game capture option, and video output device, video input device, audio input frame rate, audio output frame rate, and the video device which can be used as a webcam. And other options such as media source, we can add videos to it, and we can add to this screen like this. As you can see, now I have been displayed a cyberpunk 2077 gameplay screenshot as a photo or as an image. So now I have been displayed with an image. So in the same way, you can be displayed with any of your choice sources. And scenes are also same with the scene collection. You have the different of screen collections. In that you can select a gameplay. So gameplay means you can you will be having some special design gameplay screenshot. So it will be helping you with the gameplay. And you can, at the down, you can see that there is an option to go live. You have to log into your streaming softwares like Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and you can log into it by using Labs OBS, and you can click go live. So you'll be going live streaming in the desired streaming softwares. And if you want to replay the video, you can be replayed. And this is the recording option, the REC red one. You can use to record the videos during the Streamlabs OBS when you are not live. And there are other collections at the left bottom. You have some options which are settings, get help, collections, and grade symbol, which are for scenes. So at the option mixer, bottom of the mixer, there are some options with the desktop audio, mic, video options. You can click on the settings and click properties for changing it. And this is the simple explanation of Streamlabs OBS. So I think everyone understood it. If everyone understood this concept of Streamlabs OBS in a single video, so you can like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and this video and subscribe to this channel. It will be help to me very lot, and comment to this video. So don't forget to subscribe who are new to the channel. I think so everybody has understood that what is OBS Streamlabs. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be meted in next video with a tutorial of OBS, Open Broadcast Software, which is the other and opponent to the Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS means Streamlabs Open Broadcast Software, and OBS is the first one, Open Broadcast Software, which is the opponent to the Streamlabs and which is the best one everyone recommends. In the next tutorial I will be saying about the OBS, which is similar, very similar to the Streamlabs OBS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.
You make me